Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we will continue our chapter 15 data handling and we will discuss today the topic mode. मोड क्या होता है? गिवन डाटा में कोई भी वैल्यू, कोई भी नंबर मैक्सिमम टाइम जो रिपीट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द मोड ऑफ गिवन डाटा. वी कैन से the mode of a set of number is the number which occurs most frequently in the set. कोई भी सेट हमें गिवन है उसमें जो नंबर मैक्सिमम टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है दिस इज कॉल्ड द मोड. इफ नो नंबर अकर्स मोर देन वंस द सेट ऑफ डाटा इज सेट टू हैव नो मोड. अगर इसमें एक भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं है जो मोर देन वंस या फिर हाईएस्ट टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है. कुछ नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जो 2 टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स similarly repeat हो रहे हैं, then we can say that this type of data or this type of set have no mode. If different numbers occurs the same number of times and set of data has more than one mode. और अगर अलग अलग नंबर ऐसे हैं जो more than once repeat हो रहे हैं then we can say it has more than one mode. Okay, now see example. Example given to you, suppose 6, 7, 8, 9, 14. In this case no one number is repeating more than one. एक बार से ज़्यादा कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. It means we can say it has no mode. One more example that 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this case we can say 17 is repeating maximum time, that is 3 times. It means we can say mode is 17. In this the next number 52, 58, 58, 65, 73, 73. Then in this case you can see 58 and 73 are repeating 2 times. It means we can say mode are 58 and 73. Now see questions given to you. Find the mode of the following years of experience of teacher in a school. Example number first. For this, find the mode of the following years. It is given to you 10, 12, 5, 4, 7, 6, 7, 4, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 7, 5, 4. See in this question, find the mode of the following years. See, firstly you can arrange in ascending order, that is 1 2 times, 1 1, then 2 2, 2 times, 3 4 4, 4 5 6 7, 5 2 times, 6 7 1 2 3 4, 8 not have, 9 not have, 10 2 times, 12 2 times. Year of experience this. Now see, if you see properly that 7 is repeating 4 times, then what is the mode of this given data? Sorry, 7. In this by inspection the largest frequency is 4, therefore 7 years of experience is the mode. Most teachers have 7 years of experience than any other number of years. It is making a table in your book, years of experience and frequency written in this. Note that if the number of teachers with 7 years is only 3 and with 3 years is 2, and then the second table would represent the situation कि अगर suppose यहाँ 7 भी 3 times होता, in this question we know that mode is 7, but if 7 is 3 times, situation दे दी गई कि अगर 7 3 times है only और 4 भी 3 times है, in this case what is the mode? Mode is 4 and 7. We have 2 mode here, then 4 also repeating 3 times, 7 also repeating 3 times. That's why mode becomes 4 and 7. You see another question. Determine the mode of the following each set of data. You can do easily. Data is given to you, check it that it has no mode, 1 mode or 2 mode, and then find out the value of mode. Find the mode of the following distribution, size of shoes, number of persons. Determine this. Find the mode, mean and the mean for the set of data below. Number of frictions books read by 28 grade pupils. Here given to you. Find the mode and mean. 4, 6, 1, 7, 3, 9, 5, 7, 8, 5, 4, 6, 10, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 6, 8, 6, 8, 5, 10, 7, 2, 5, 3, 7. In this question, you have to find out the mode and mean. Firstly, arrange into ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 how many times? If we are making a frequency distribution table, then you can use the tally marks. 1, 6, 1, 1, 7, 3, 9, 5, 7, 8, 5, 4, 6, 10, 6, 9, 5, 6, 6, 8, 6, 8, 5, 10, 7, 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay. Frequency you can write down 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2. Now see, you can easily see that 6 is repeating highest time. It means mode of this given data is 6. We want to find out the mean also. Then mean how to find out? This multiply by this, it becomes the variable value x, and this is the frequency x into f. 1 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 4, 28, 8 into 3, 24, 9 into 2, 18, 10 into 2, 20. Total number of frequency 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 4, 11 or 6, 17 or 5, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, and total 28 number given to you. It means it is right. Now see here, this is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 6, 26, 31, 31 or 8, 39, 39 or 6, 45, 47 or 1, 48, 4 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 10, 12 or 4, 14. Then what is the formula of mean? We can show by x bar that summation of xi fi upon summation of fi. This one equals to 148 divided by 28, then 2 14, 74, 2 3 6, 2 7 14, then your answer is 37 upon 7, or you can change into the decimal also. So we can find out the mean and mode in the same question. See the next question. Find the mode and mean of the following. Same type of things. Mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Mode is always one of the number. क्या possible है only one mode होता है? It depends on the question. It has more than one mode also. The mean is one of the number in a data. No, this is the average of the data. Median is always one of the number in a data. No, because median also, if we have two medians, then we take the average of these two numbers. If we have two middle numbers, then for the median we take average of these two number. Okay, now see bar graphs. Bar graphs क्या होते हैं? किसी भी डाटा को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए अगर हम किसी पिक्चर्स का किसी बार ग्राफ मीन्स ग्राफ का यूज कर रहे हैं, देन इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर अस to understanding what is given in the question. Numbers can often be understood more easily if they are pictured. अगर उनको pictures में show कर दिया जाए तो हम easily उसको understand कर सकते हैं. One of the best way of picturing sets of values is bar graph. So we will study about the bar graph. Bar graph consists of an axis. Bar graph क्या होता है? Bar graph के लिए हमें दो एक्सिस की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, वन हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस एंड वन वर्टिकल एक्सिस. हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस बेसिकली shows by the x axis and vertical axis shows by the y axis. They will intersect each other at point O. This is called origin. They are perpendicular to each other. Both axes are perpendicular to each other and they intersect each other at a point O. This is called the origin. And origin has the coordinates 0, 0. It means origin की value होती है 0. Okay. In the case of bar graph, on the x-axis, any one of the axis we can use for the statement where it is given to you about the data, and one axis we can use for the numbers to representing it. Okay, see now one question. The table given below shows the sale of some fruits in one day by local markets. Fruit and downside given to you, sale in kg. Fruit given है तुम्हें papaya, pears, mangoes. Okay, I am showing only these three fruits. 16, 8, 24. Represent the data by a bar graph. Oranges and apples also take, then oranges, apples, oranges 40 and apples 52. Okay, see now. रिप्रेजेंट द डाटा बाय ए बार ग्राफ. बार ग्राफ में अब देखो एक स्केल पे तो हमारे पास क्या है, नेम ऑफ द फ्रूट्स है, और एक स्केल पर हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है नंबर. यू कैन चूज एनी वन ऑफ द एक्सेस फॉर द नेम ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड फॉर द नंबर्स. सपोज आई टेक हियर नेम ऑफ फ्रूट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट और नेम ऑफ फ्रूट, and sale in kg I am showing on y axis. Okay, when on the scale where you want to represent the numbers, you have to take the scale something that you are measuring, assuming in a graph you see there are blocks, small squares or big squares, then we have to divide that each small square denote which value. Here 18, 6, 16, 8, 24, 40, 52. Suppose I take the scale of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And if you see these bar graph, we will represent on the graph paper. And on the graph paper, you can see this big box here, one big box, it divided into 10 parts. So it means here, what is the scale that you are representing in kg? It means this value is 10 kg. So it means this 10 lines, each line representing, you can do 10 by 10, that is equal to 1 kg. So we can say 1 centimeter, 1 unit is equal to 10 kg. It means one big box is equal to 10 kg, or you can say one small box is equal to 1 kg. So this is a scale on y-axis. We are taking a scale on y-axis, so this is a scale on y-axis is equal to one big box is equal to 10 kg. It means one small box, ये जो पार्ट होगा वो भी इस तरह से बना होगा, तो ये जो स्मॉल और ये भी इधर भी क्या होगा 10 लाइंस में डिवाइड होगा. तो ये जो स्मॉल बॉक्स बनेगा वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? दिस वन 1 kg को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. नाउ सी सेकेंड थिंग क्या होता है बार ग्राफ में, we are taking for the type of fruit on the x-axis, then we will make some rectangular bars, rectangular blocks बनाएंगे जिनको rectangular bar कहा जाता है. और what is the necessary condition? The distance between these fruits, name of the fruit should be the same. It means उनके बीच का जो gap है वो सबके लिए सेम होना चाहिए. सपोज मैंने इसमें यहाँ शो किया है पपाया 16, तो 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. तो ये जो 16 पे पपाया आएगा, सपोज आई एम कंज्यूमिंग वन ब्लॉक, सो विड्थ ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक रिमेन सेम फॉर ईच फ्रूट. दिस पपाया pears 8 only, then I leave one box here, then here also I leave one box, I take here and 8, then I will consume one block again. Then after 24, one block, then 24, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and consume one block, then it becomes pears 24. So continue it. This time we will draw the bar graph for the given data. You have to practice it on the graph paper for solving it properly. Okay student, in the next lecture we will discuss the exercise or some more examples related to 15D exercise. Complete till your 15C exercise properly, revise it. Thank you. Have a nice day.